Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Reminder app on iPhone. To do this, firstly you'll have to open your Reminder app. The Reminder app on iPhone is a versatile tool designed to help users keep track of tasks, events, and other important to-dos. Overall, the Reminder app on iPhone is a powerful tool for managing tasks and staying organized, whether it's for personal errands or professional projects. Furthermore, once you open the app, you can see a few things on your screen. On the top, you can see Today. Now, if you tap on Today, you can see that you can keep a reminder for today in the morning, afternoon, and tonight. Now, to add a reminder, you can tap on the time you want a reminder. Here, I want a reminder in the morning, so I will tap on morning, and then I will write down the reminder. Here, I'm typing down to remind me to drink water. Then, you can see that you can set time as well when you want to be reminded. So, you can tap on date and time, which is right above your keyboard. Then, you can select the date you want to be reminded, and then you can also set the time below. Once you are satisfied with your date and time, you can tap on Apply to apply this reminder. You may follow the same steps and then tap on Afternoon if you want to add a reminder for your afternoon as well. Here, I am adding a reminder to study. Once you type down study, then you may again choose the date or time you want to be reminded at. Then again, you can go back and then tap on tonight to add a reminder for tonight. Here, I'm adding a reminder for my sleep. Then, once you're satisfied, then you may tap on Done at the top right corner. And if you have anything more to add, you may tap on the circles right below your morning, afternoon, and tonight reminder. Once you do that, you can go back. Now, right beside today, you can see the scheduled option. You can tap on schedule to see what's on your schedule for today. Then, you can again go back once you look at your schedule. Then, if you want to add a new reminder, you can see at the bottom left corner you have a plus icon right next to new reminder. Tap on the plus icon and then this will take you to a new page where you may add your new reminder. You may type in the title in the first text box. Here, I am adding a title to my new reminder to remind me to buy my stuff. Now, on notes, you can add the description of the things you want to buy. Here, I want to buy groceries, so I will be typing down grocery in my notes. Then, you can tap on details, and then here you can set the date, time, and location, and you may add some other stuff to make sure that you get reminded on the specific date you want to be reminded at and the time you want to be reminded at. Then, once you're satisfied with your new reminder that you just set, you may tap on Add at the top right corner, and this will simply add your reminder. Now, if you want to make a list, then you can tap on Add List at the bottom right corner. This will simply take you to a page where you can add what you want in your list. You can type in your list name. Here, I want to make a list for my grocery that I want to buy. Then you can also choose the color of your list to be. I'm choosing green for now. Then once you're done, you can go back, tap on Done at the top right corner, and then under My List, you can see Grocery List option right on the reminders. Tap on Grocery List. Once you tap on that, you can make a list of the things you want to buy. Then here at the top, you can type down the list of vegetables or grocery you want. And then, once you type them down, you can tap on Return on your keyboard. This will automatically create a new text tab to add another item to your grocery list. Once you are satisfied with your grocery list, then you may tap on Done at the top right corner. And then once you have successfully gone shopping or done the activity, you can just check them off of your list. To do that, you can tap on the circle icon next to the item that you've just listed. Then it will automatically be checked off of your list. This is how you can easily use the Reminder app on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.